have my attention.
Invisibility.
Do you know of another graveyard we could use? I do, but they struggle as we do. You'll not find a casket for your daughter there.
Ridiculous.
I understand. I will do what I can.
Innocte consiglio.
The corpse remains silent. Sandrel, gone but ne'er forgotten.
Awaiting orders.
Velkin. Without warning, this is beneath me.